Hello! So today's video, we're gonna plants play versus Plants vs Green Rats. If you wanna offer, just offer. My huge is this, and this. Wait, you have more. This. Wait. Yeah, this, and this you wanna offer. Wait. Or this you wanna offer. This big guy. And my last big ones, I got wait guys, ginso. Sorry, I'm back. I just do something. And now for this offer, so today's video, we're gonna open some packs and wait, bro. We're gonna there's something. That's mine, yeah. Yo, that's mine. Mine. It's mine, that's mine. Yo! Snow globe grenade. And we're gonna open some packs and eggs. Uncommon, shiny but uncommon, common again. Yo, egg limited, chilled aura. Nah, bro. Wait, there's a boss. Yo, I'm gonna defeat you. I'm gonna defeat you. Bro. We need the frost blower. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. Please. Give me a chance, bro. Bro, no! I was not defeated. It's okay. Can try again. And going back to opening some packs and eggs. So the eggs now. Rainbow meme egg. Yo, I'm in Philippines, so shout out my Philippines fans and yo. Yeah, just kidding. He's playing. I'm playing. I need, if you have size potion or which potion, can I have that, bro? Because I need some big plants for trading. So please just comment. Yo, another meme? Nah, nah, bro. My luck is unreal, bro. Let's open some more because I have so much eggs, bro. If you need an egg, just comment. You lost your little. Open another mini egg. Nah, bruh. Between the second best brain rot in the egg, nah, bro, nah. Another one, bro. Nah, bro, again. Again. Nah, bro. I keep getting the trash box. Sadly now, I'm gonna give away these brain rots and these plants if you need them. Yo, if you get the brain rattle, bro, you're awesome, bro. Oh my god, my luck is unreal for real, bro. 2 at 1 egg, bro. Nah, bro, Damian, Halloween, bro. I see that. Nah, bro, my luck is not unreal. Nah, bro. Give me luck here. Give me luck here. Give me luck here. Please. Nah. One more. No, I see it. Try again. Oh. Please. Nah, I have no more meme, bro. Might do a giveaway. So put your user in the comments and like, please. Please. Long. Step 6. And we're gonna open some packs now. Yo, what? Yo, what? What? Yo. The luck in eggs na, bro. The cards though, the cards. Nah, come on. Nah, bro. Dang, that's good. Never mind, bro. Another one. Come on again. Another one again. Nah, bro. Another tier 1, bro. This card na. They have 15 of them, bro. This, I think it's a common. Yo, another one. Common again. Common again. Here. Alright. Yo, Epic, Inferno Peral, Magbaburn na sa 4. It's 4, 10% of their max HP on death. Nah, this good, bro. That good. So, like in follow, like in sub, please. So, offer just offer. So, bye. And put your user in the comments. See you in part 3. Bye bye.